Hello everyone, I am Rohanul Islam Sharkar Renesa, and today I'll be presenting my thesis review on the topic linguistic development and childish creativity, examining the function of play, imagination, and cognitive flexibility. To cover this review, I'll be focusing on the topics introduction, literature review, methodology, findings, data analysis, and conclusion. So this thesis explores the complex relationship between every children's imaginative play and language development, emphasizing the role that play, playfulness, and cognitive flexibility play in the language acquisition. This research attempts to clarify the cognitive mechanisms underpinning children's language inventiveness and its consequences for educational practices by combining current studies from Google Scholar and relevant academic sources. The literature review explores the theoretical foundations of children's language acquisition and creativity by utilizing academic research articles from Google Scholar and other scholarly databases. So there are also some major ideas covered, such as Chomsky's theory of universal grammar, Piaget's theory of cognitive development, and many other. The analysis of empirical studies focuses on speech, play, storytelling, and creative language used to uncover the cognitive processes behind children's linguistic creativity. So in methodology, there is a use of mixed method approach. This study combines quantitative measures of linguistic competency and cognitive flexibility with qualitative evolution of children's natural language, linguistic observations, parent and teacher interviews, and standardized language evolutions are some of the key techniques in data gathering. So in findings, we see the results highlight various forms of linguistic innovation that youngsters usually display, such as um, word creation, creative narrative, and syntactic experimenting. The relationship between the language learning and cognitive development is reciprocated, as statistical study shows relationship between uh, inventiveness in language and cognitive ability. Children show a wide variety of creative language use in their language play, according to observations made of them. Youngsters frequently made of new terms like zoodle for spaghetti. So their linguistic creativity is a reflection of their natural curiosity to play around with language and broaden their lexicon in this process. In data analysis, we see two types of analysis, like in qualitative analysis, to find recurrent themes and patterns in kids' use of language and creative expression, apply thematic analysis method, investigate topics including made-up words, narrative strategies, and grammatical variances. In quantitative analysis, use of statistical methods such as regression and correlations to investigate the connections between the linguistic development, childlike creativity, and cognitive traits, including cognitive flexibility and ability to solve problems. In conclusion, we can see that this is actually ending by arguing that childhood creativity is essential to language development, since it promotes the communicative competence, grammatical complexity, and vocabulary growth through play-based learning strategies that capitalized on children's natural creativity. Teachers may maximize language acquisition results and foster a lifelong love for language and literacy. Thank you everyone for listening.